Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to gradient text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To create a gradient effect for text in Canva, it's a lot easier if you use the Canva Pro because you have more options and you are not limited with the free trial version. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to click on the template that you wanted to start with. You can use business, social media, education, video, marketing, products, and a lot more. If you have a specific design in your mind, just click on the create a design option so you can start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it a thumbnail in our G-Plabs YouTube channel. Now, in this case, I'm going to upload a certain file. And for you to be able to use a gradient text effect in Canva, I want you to go to the app section right here. Type in gradient. If you can't find the type gradient, technically type gradient. There you go. Choose this app because from here you can add gradient to text. You can make your designs pop with beautiful gradients. That's going to be included with Canva free. Line gradients, font library, included with Canva Pro, radial, mesh, and cone gradients and custom fonts. So basically, that's what I'm talking about earlier. If you have the Canva Pro subscription, you are not limited with the free version wherein you only have like 2 options. But don't worry, because all we're gonna do for now is open and let's just work with what we can have here. Wait for it, loading your fonts here right now. Now, you would be asked to what are you going to design today? You can type in your main text here. For example, this. You see, that's going to be the preview, all right? Now, on the graded type, you can only choose the linear. But if you are using the Canva Pro, the crown icon is an identifier that it requires a Canva Pro subscription, all right? So if you upgrade your plan to Canva Pro, you'll have the radial, cone, and mesh. But for now, we're gonna using the linear. For the font, you have the option to use any font that you wanted. For now, let's use the Anton, or maybe let's try something like a little bit creative and something that pops out. How about this baloney 123? Let's do that. Now after that, all I'm gonna do is click the add to design. Let's see what will happen. You see that? Very easy, right? So you have something that pops out. You have like a gradient text here in Canva. All right. Another option is that go to the element section. I'm gonna hover this here. Click the frame, but this method is very tedious. It requires a skill or knowledge. Go to frame. This one right here. Go to the see all and choose the text frame. The letters. For example, I'm going to be using our YouTube channel, for instance. I'm going to copy this instead. I'm going to make the font a little bit smaller so we can fit the other text here. All right, so I think we're almost done. Almost. Few more letters. I'm gonna make it smaller right here so these guys can fit. Last letter is S, right? This is a little bit tricky, but you can guys do it. You can pull it off. Now, the next thing is I'm going to type in gradient. Type it here. You see this graphics. Click that and drag it here on each letters. Right? So you're not limited because when you go to the graphics and click on the gradient, you see you can basically be creative. You're not limited with your imagination. Drag it here. You can't. See that? So basically, this is how you create text gradient here in Canva. Now, once you've done that, let's try to add a background effect here so we can kind of like see the effect that we have created. Maybe this here, that's too much. Maybe this, a gradient background, right? So that's good. Now, another option is what we can do is click this right here and go to the text. Now, if you add a type box right here and put in, for example, the text right here, add a text box. You see there's going to be an effect section. All right. You can use something like a neon or an echo. Kind of resembles like a gradient right here. You see that? That's like a semi-gradient as well. So that specific event or a specific effect. Now, if you wanted to test the design that you created, I want you to click on this big box right here. All right. And again, once you find a gradient template that you like, click on it and edit the text you fit your needs. You can always modify the color of the gradient and text style by editing the text settings or replacing the gradient. All right. Once you're happy with it, all you're going to do is go to the upper right corner wherein you can download this as an MP4, a JPEG, PNG, or PDF. You could also have the option to share it to social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, or you can send it as an attachment via email, WhatsApp, iMessage, or Facebook Messenger. If you wanted to share this with your collaborators, say for example you're working with multiple freelancers or with your client, you might want to click on the anyone with the link. It will generate the link and we'll copy that and send it to your team members. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.